Hello, in front of me I have REALME 6S and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this device. Let's start by swiping upwards from the bottom of the screen to open the app menu, and here scroll down and tap on the settings icon to open the settings. Once in settings, let's scroll down and select language and region. Here tap on language, and we can scroll up and down through the list, find the language you want to use and tap on it to select it. For example, let's select Deutsch, then tap done in the top right corner and select change to German or whatever the language you selected to change the language. As you can see, the language changed. Now let's bring it back to English like this, and then done and change to English. And that's how you change the language on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.